Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a beaded star Christmas tree ornament. First I'm going to take a piece of 4-inch wire, then bend the wire into an L shape, about 1.5 inches from the end. Place a round nose pliers at the bend and wrap the wire around the pliers. Give the pliers half a turn to make it easier to manipulate the wire. Wrap the wire around the main wire. And then snip off the excess with the wire cutters. Use the flat nose pliers to flatten and tuck in the cut end. Add a small clear bead to the wire. Then add the star. And another clear bead. Repeat the first steps. Place the pliers next to the last bead. Bend the wire to create the L shape. And bend the wire around the pliers to create the loop. Then wrap the wire around the main wire. Snip off the excess with the wire cutters. Then add a jump ring to the bottom loop. Just make sure the star is not upside down. Then add the bell to the jump ring. Close the jump ring with pliers. And then thread a piece of jute or cord through the top loop and tie it off. I made a bunch of these in other colors. Like purple, red, and pink, green, and even blue. These are quick and easy to make. You can create these with any large bead in many different shapes and colors. Just have fun with it. Create your own Christmas ornaments and then give them away to family and friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.